This is the. Is this your other toy Uncle Danny got for you?
What is it?
Look at it. Oh, wait! Make them turn. Make her turn. Uh-oh. Keep turning. I think she's stuck. You have to go get her.
Get it.
Say please. There you go. Now do it. You can make her turn. There you go. Okay. Make her drive straight.
What is this?
Remember the straight button? The green one? Up. To make her turn. I think we're going to have to practice our driving skills. That's fun, isn't it? You love it? Yeah? Are you happy? Happy. That's fun.